There's nothing like waking up to a hill country sunrise every morning. From the moment you rise at 1400 Rocky Hollow, you are surrounded by spectacular views of this 10-acre, beautifully landscaped private ranchette. Very few large lot homes in the Texas Hill Country have been so thoroughly manicured. This park-like estate was designed for both beauty and functionality. The ground itself offers fertile soil uncommon to much of Texas. Each day offers a new colorful bloom, whether it be from one of the 47 varieties of roses, the native wildflowers, or from one of the many fruit trees in the orchard. Find your own space at Rocky Hollow. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, each with its own patio and views of the property, 2 living areas, and a private study. A gourmet kitchen inspires family meals complemented by fresh produce from the organic gardens. Kids love splashing in the pool, playing in the gated playground, feeding the chickens, and picking fresh produce from the organic vegetable garden and orchard. Adults love being able to easily keep an eye on the children as they play outdoors from the floor-to-ceiling windows, and everyone enjoys taking in the majestic views from one of the several lookout points on the property. From crafting one-of-a-kind projects in the standalone workshop to meditating near the trickling fountain in the lily pond or hosting a poolside barbecue in the outdoor garden, the thoroughly planned grounds truly offer something for everyone. Inspired by a centuries-old Tuscan farmhouse, each detail throughout the interior and exterior reinforces the aesthetic, from the mosaic tile flooring to the wisteria-covered arbor adjacent to the 3-car garage. Every detail offers both beauty and function. Even the mudroom is a step inside from the pergola-covered outdoor shower and offers quick access to a half bath, great for rinsing off after a morning in one of the many gardens. Just a short drive away from this uniquely private retreat, city amenities abound. The property is only a 6.8-mile drive from local grocery store H-E-B. Seton Burnett Healthcare Center and Seton Highland Lakes Hospital are also less than 10 miles away. Also close by, you'll find several wineries, an abundance of local restaurants, plenty of shopping, and a great local brewery. Inks Lake State Park, Longhorn Caverns, and Canyon of the Eagles are a great way to spend an afternoon. When you're ready to submerge yourself in total relaxation, you can visit the world-class spa at Horseshoe Bay Resort. The entire neighborhood is a wildlife management area, meaning it offers a tax exemption to all residents in the Rocky Hollow community. Even still, most varieties of livestock and ranch animals are permitted. The curated landscape of native wildflowers and trees that blanket the property have all been chosen for the easiest possible maintenance and acclimation to the natural climate. They blend harmoniously with the remaining 6 acres of untouched land. Mature oak trees keep the property cool in the summer and provide a sweet respite for migrating hummingbirds and butterflies. You may even see a bald eagle, as this property is in the path of their spring migration. At the end of the day at 1400 Rocky Hollow, it's nice to enjoy a glass of wine on the oversized balcony and just listen to the peaceful sounds of nature and just soak in the hill country bliss as the sun goes down over the orchard trees. For more information about this property, contact Lourdes Norton at Twin Realty Group at 512-423-0601.